Right, so we're on the last one. I've zoomed in a bit, see if you get a better picture. Get this done. So I'm going to take half the thou off and back. Sorry, half a mil, 20 thou. Taking 20 thou cuts. That's 1.5 mil. We want 275. The first one I only did 2.5. So I had to reposition it and go take another 1/4 mil off, another 10 thou off it. 2.5 is there. Now the finished cut is at 275, which is, come on, there. Switch everything off to avoid crashes, and we'll show you